What's up, guys? Today I'm taking you on a super cool journey. We're gonna go from Carlsbad up to San Jose, California, and today we're gonna be on a Challenger 604. Challenger 604 is a very roomy private jet. It's super cool. I've flown on it. This will be my second trip on that. Normally my trips are on a Citation 10 or Citation Sovereign, but today it's a 604 and I wanted to take you guys along with me on that journey because it is super awesome. So let's get out of here and I will see you guys at the airport and get you a tour of the Challenger 604. All right, guys, so we finally made it to Carlsbad. We're at Atlantic Aviation, so we're gonna go inside and see if our plane's here and check it out. I'm in Carlsbad right now. There's quite a few planes around here. Actually, next to this Beechcraft Premier. Really nice airplane. But what we're after today is the almighty Challenger 604. Let's go inside and I'll show you what it's like. Inside here we've got some seats there and nice couch. This cabin is huge. It's one of the bigger ones out of the private aviation industry anyway. Super tall, super comfortable. Again, there's our snacks. I'll show you the restroom. It's got a really big bathroom. Awesome finishes in the bathroom. And on this flight, I actually have my own cabin attendant, which is very cool. So anyway, that is the tour of the plane. guys, that concludes this flight from Carlsbad to San Jose. Say goodbye to the Challenger. And now we are going to walk into Signature over here. So I just wanted to quickly say that, you know, arriving in San Jose, I've never seen so much private traffic as I have here. This is I believe it's my 10th or 11th trip this year flying private. And another plane actually literally just came in right after we did. There's my plane there. And then if you look, the whole flight line is filled all the way down. It just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 13 private jets right here on the flight line, which is pretty cool. And a Global Express actually just left. Otherwise, there would have been another one. But so we've got the Challenger 604. We've got a Lear, I believe that's a Lear 40 or Lear 60 there. And I mean, the list goes on and on. We've got a couple other Challengers down there. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I thought it was pretty cool. I've never seen that many airplanes on the flight line. So yeah, so San Jose, flight from Carlsbad, California to San Jose is complete. Again, there's our Challenger aircraft we just came off of, and hope to see you on another flight sometime soon. Hit that like and subscribe button. See ya. So you got to hand it to Signature Flight Support. You know, usually when I fly these private flights, they'll have somebody to come pick me up and take me to where I need to go. Here in San Jose, I get off and they said, "Oh, Mr. Byrne, the shuttle will be here momentarily, but it's got to make a couple stops at a few hotels. If you'd like, we can get you an Uber or a Lyft to get you there much faster." And I said, "Sure, whatever you'd like to do." And so they instantly ordered me a Lyft, and I'm out front waiting for it to get me because they thought it would be faster, and they paid for it. And I thought, wow, talk about service. So I literally just wanted to give a shout out to Signature Flight Support because they have such an awesome service. This, I believe, is my 10th private flight this year, and I fly out of both Atlantic Aviation and Signature Flight Support, but no knock to Atlantic, but I have got superior service from Signature Flight Support, and the service is just unparalleled. So I just thought I'd make a really quick video just to, I guess, kind of not really tell the differences between Atlantic and Signature, which are the two big servers in the private aviation industry. But this one just surprised me because they just went out of their way to say, "Mr. Byrne, anything we can do to expedite your service, we'd be happy to do." And I mean, what more can you ask for? So anyway, I thought I'd just make this short video just to let you guys know how awesome Signature Flight Support is. And if you ever fly private and you get the opportunity to pick, choose Signature because they are awesome. And here comes my Lyft driver now, right there. So I'm gonna sign off. Peace, see you on the next video, next flight. See ya. Subscribe and like.